If you're ready to fix your pain in record time, listen up. Now, it doesn't make a difference if you've tried everything out there, because I've treated and resolved chronic pain and injuries in over 15,000 patients that were word of mouth referrals. And these people tried everything from surgery to injections, chiropractic, physical therapy, acupuncture, massage therapy, all just by looking at their problem differently. It's about reverse engineering your problem by looking at things like biomechanics, scar tissue, nerve entrapments, breathing pattern, the lymphatic system, and so much more. One thing is you've probably noticed that you feel worse at night or after periods of rest, like sitting for a while, and then you go to stand up and then you're moving like you're a million years old. And then as you start moving around more and more and more, the pain gets a little bit better and the muscles feel a little bit looser. But the moment that you sit back down again, everything tightens back up again. So if a muscle has scar tissue or adhesions, the tissue cools at rest, and a tight muscle is going to get 10 times as tighter, and then movement, when you get up and move around, that helps turn off the pain. Now, most people that come and see me, around 90%, will feel a minimum of a 50% pain reduction almost immediately after their treatment. And a lot of people are one and done, and they get fixed after the very first visit. Not everybody, but the goal is to fix you in the quickest time possible. The other day, I ran into one of the orthopedic surgeons that sends me all of their unfixable cases, and he was thanking me profusely. He was like, man, I don't know how you do it. It's like you take pixie dust and you sprinkle it on them and you make them better, and then they come back and they see us and they're pain-free, and they're like, why didn't we just try this in the first place? And it's because I am obsessive about constantly learning new ways, new techniques to get people better, because here's the deal. I suffered chronic low back disc issues for over a decade. I've had things like cervical disc bulges, rotator and labral tears, inflammatory autoimmune issues, gut issues, and I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars trying to do traditional treatments, and unfortunately, none of it worked. But here's the thing, I didn't give up. I had to learn how to look outside the box, look at things from both an Eastern and a Western medical perspective. And here I am, completely pain-free at 45. This isn't chiropractic where you get sold some $3,000 package and then you get popped a few times and you keep coming back in 3 times a week for the rest of your life. And this isn't physical therapy where you get 10 pages worth of exercises that are basically like a part-time job to do. Read the reviews. There are so many people in there that were just like you. And you know what their biggest regret was? Not coming in sooner. Everybody always says, I wish I did this sooner. If you're ready to get back to your life, if you're ready to get back to your sport, whatever it is that you do that makes you smile, don't wait. You can even schedule online above. I'll see you soon.